Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will show you how to remove green screen on Capcut PC. So let's get started. First import your video, and this is the green screen video. Now drag it and place it here. Okay, now select this green screen video, and on the right side here make sure the video tab is selected, and now click on Capcut, and here chroma key, click on this, and here color picker, click on this. Now select the green screen color. Okay, now change, just click and drag it 40%, 50%. Okay, and shadow 50. Okay, now let's see. Okay, so that's it. So this is how you can remove green screen on Capcut PC. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please do subscribe and hit the like button. See you in the next video.